Deploy Windows Server 2016 into VMware Workstation. So let's begin. First, you need to open VMware Workstation, then go to the file, click on New Virtual Machine, select Typical, click on Next, select I will install the operating system later, then click on Next and select Windows Server 2016. Just click on Next. Where do you want to install this virtual machine? VHD underscore demo of D drive. Just click on Next. How much size require of hard drive for this virtual machine? I will give 60 GB. Just click on Next and finish. Click on Browse button and select 2016 server image file and then click on OK and then power on this virtual machine. It will boot server 2016 image file. Just give enter to boot from CD or DVD. Click on next. Click on install now. Select Windows Server 2016 data center and now with the desktop experience, and now click on next. I accept the license term and click on next. Now we need to install Windows only, so select custom, create new partition, assign full size to the partitions and now click on next. It is getting file ready for installation. It will take few minutes. Window will restart in a 1 second. Copying file from CD to the hard drive is completed. Now it will take few seconds to load Windows 2016 operating system. Now need to assign password for this virtual machine. Now just click on finish. Operating system installed successfully. Now need to install VMware tools. Just click on VMware tools and run setup. Just click on next, next, install. Just click on finish. If you want to add some additional roles in Windows Server 2016, you can open Server Manager and just click on add roles and features. You can also access add roles and features menu from manage button. Just click on next. Just click on next. It's a computer name of this machine. Just click on next and select DNS. We didn't assign static IP address. Actually, we need static IP address for DNS. It's a recommended setting, but we will assign later. Just click on continue. If you want to install IIS also, just select it and just click on next, 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 again next, and click on install. Installation of DNS and IIS role has been started, and it will take a few minutes to install roles in Windows Server 2016. I've installed the DNS and IIS role because in further video we will penetrate DNS information and IIS information by using some additional tools. DNS actually used to provide name to IP and IP to name service, and IIS service is used to host a website. It provides web services. Installation succeed, just click on close. So hope you understand very well how to install Windows Server 2016 into VMware Workstation and how to install some additional roles in operating system like DNS or IIS. So thank you for watching this video.